We got some War of the Worlds shit going on over here in Perth at the moment. It's a full-on lightning storm. It's a case of, yeah, as soon as you pull the camera out, you sort of miss them all. Come on. This one. There we go. You were close, weren't you? What about you? Not as close. Oh, I love this shit. No, it's a bit like before I started the video, it was like that War of the Worlds, you know? Fucking lightning strikes all over the place. Come on. There's one over there, just missed that. Come on. And here I'm standing right next to the fucking clothesline, eh? And pretty good conductor of electricity. Yeah, good one, Parker. You know, getting some rain. About time, cool the fucking joint down. There was a beauty right out there just then. Missed it, corner of my eye. That's it now. I'll buy that backup one. Well, there we go. Yeah, she got to a real scorcher today, 37, and could hardly fucking breathe. To like the sun was fucking burning, not like a sun, mate, it was like a fucking magnifying glass. It was that hot. Yeah, well, we all know what a storm looks like. It's getting a bit windy and hectic now. Oh, it's definitely gone and got nice and cool. Yep, crazy weather. And just to think, like, not even an hour ago, it was all blue sky and sunshine and smiles.